I worked on this in 2001. But clothing are like humans. They go through stuff and they age. Here is one tear. Here is another tear. Side stitch detail gave me the idea. This thread or double this thread. Let's try. I think this is nice. I used 5/16 wide twill tape and eased it like that to give J-stitch shape. I'm going to cover the wound with it, plus decorative stitch. I hand sewed here. I'm starting sewing and I'm nervous. No, I can't record this. It's looking good. Do I need to stop here? You can't back tack the leather. Just take here. Need to use this old-fashioned technique to reinforce the thread and tie the knots. To make long story short, let me show you now. And fixed this. Here is another tier. I removed bar, opened seams, and attached the bar to the grosgrain grain. Inserted grosgrain grain into the center front. Now, challenge is I can't edge stitch there. I have to find the previous holes and go through those holes by hand and hand stitch it. Still can see with my reading glasses. Oh, here you go. Here you go. Yep. Also had to sew top and bottom of the grosgrain grain by hand and the side by sewing machine using zipper foot. Here you go. Almost there. I have my modernized pants bag to enjoy in the snow in Colorado.